Welcome back, YouTubers. So, I'm in need of another pin bag. My pin bag is completely full, and right now I don't have the funds to buy one, so I was just gonna make one out of an old CD case. You can get these at a thrift store. Like, I got this one at a thrift store for 49 cents, and it's Monsters Inc. So, what I plan on doing is I traced out this CD and I cut out the plastic, and I plan on putting the plastic in these, every other one, to protect the pins, and it makes this a little bit more firm and sturdier. And you can do the same thing in a bigger CD case. See, and I even cut out some Disneyland map and put it in there for decoration. So what I did was I took like any food plastic you have in your house, or this is like packing plastic. It's not very thick. It's kind of thin, but it's thick enough. And I just trace the CD so I know where to cut. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're not even going to see this part of it. And this is all stuff I had laying around the house, so I didn't go out and buy any of this. Alright, so that goes in here. This one can go in here. And then every other one, so this one can go in here. You can always trim it a little bit more so you don't see the black outline. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. And then you can put pins in here. Let's see, we got art. And pin back. Don Carlton. Mike Zowski. And Scott Squishy. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, I have room for Sully. Yes, I sure do. And that turned out pretty good. And I left these Rapunzel pins in here. They don't have any plastic behind them. I'm going to cut some plastic out. I have this container traced out, ready to go. Just some plastic that would end up in the recycling bin. So I put the plastic in these, and then I just added some pins so you could see kind of like an idea of what it... So the plastic kind of makes it durable. I still didn't put plastic in this back one, so it's kind of flimsy. Definitely like the plastic in there. But that is something I could take to Disneyland with trading pins in it and carry it around. It's really cute. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.